this is Dorothy again with Scrapbooking, and this is our new September through October 2023 catalog. So let's go ahead and get started. Look at this beautiful paper and layout on the front. Okay, more about our VIP and becoming a maker if you would like to become a maker. And once again, we've got our Operation Smile. Brighten the world with smiles. This is our nonprofit that we support, and a certain amount of money, $7 from this your smile stamp set is $19.95. $7 goes to Operation Smile to help fund the doctors that donate their time, doctors and nurses that donate their time to go and help the children in Central America. So, I mean, some of these children can't have trouble swallowing because of their palate, having a cleft palate. So it's a real worthwhile operation. And if you round up your order, if you place an order on, say, my website, dorothy.closetomyheart.com, there is a place where you can say round up my order. And all of those pennies add up to take care of the smiles, to help bring the children a new smile. So here's some information about our Cut Above. The Cut Above kits, they're ultimate and quick and easy crafting using pre-cut paper pieces, die cuts, and stickers. You get a creative experience of putting together a beautiful scrapbook layout in minutes. There's no cutting required. All you need is to supply your photos, your story, and your adhesive of choice. And so here are the next two Cut Above. This is sort of taking the place of the scrapbooking subscription. They were Cut Aboves, and we're not doing the scrapbooking subscription anymore, which I've been doing for a number of years now, making them online. I mean, making videos of them. So this, I will continue and do these, so you can kind of see how they look. Okay, so our first paper collection for the seasonal catalog is called The Good Life. And look at this super rustic paper and just a whole rustic feel. So this is really good for those of us who live in Texas, or if you live out in the country and you're running around and you're still seeing a lot of windmills and fields with, you know, wire fences and split rail fences. Perfect paper for you and your pictures. So here are the papers. We've got all this rustic wood and the stickers, and look at these adorable shapes. So, and here is the digital art for making a big, kind of like a sunburst with a big windmill and these wonderful split rail fences. So anyway, super, super neat. This is a beautiful stamp set. It's called The Good Life Card Making Stamp Set. So they have it with this particular paper set, but you know, anytime I find a really good sympathy stamp, I go and get it, because, you know, unfortunately we, you know, need to have our sympathy stamps around, and sometimes they speak to you, sometimes they don't. When it speaks to me, then I get it. So I love this stream, and I love the simple sentiments that go with this wonderful stamp set. Okay, and here we've got the Scrapbooking Stamp and Thin Cut. And you get a truck and these fences and a bike and this wonderful windmill. So super, super cute to go right along with these papers. It's just perfect. Here's our scrapbooking workshop. So you get 3 workshops. You get all these die cuts, you get stickers, you get embellishments, you get the paper and cardstock to make, along with the instructions to make all of these pages. So all you have to do is follow the instructions, or if you want to do your own thing, you can do that too. Anyway, lots and lots of die cuts. So there's a lot of cutting you don't have to do. The cutting is very basic, I'll tell you. And then we've got the card making workshop. So these are great cards for guys. Great guy cards. And look at how cute. So there you've got your happy birthday in there, or thinking of you, or missing you. And, you know, really perfect cards and colors for guys. Okay, and here we've got our first Christmas paper. So Home for Christmas. And super pretty. And we still have the woods. Look at that wonderful plaid in there. And here's an idea for a page. So like I said, you always see these ideas for cards or pages or tags or what have you. Here are the papers. Beautiful, with the flip side of poinsettias and mailboxes and fireplaces. So super pretty. And look at these wonderful die cuts with all those gorgeous poinsettias. And here is the digital art. So you can cut this yourself, and they have a suggestion of a page here that is already put together and sized. So all you have to do is feed in the cardstock, and you can go ahead and make a page, you know, without having to measure anything. It's just all right there for you. Real pretty stamp set for Christmas. Here are some cards. And here are some packages in a perfect scrapbooking stamp set for making a page here. 'Tis the season to be jolly. And here is the scrapbooking workshop. Look at these beautiful. And you're using some spray here. We've got our, what is that? The white gloss spray to put kind of a snowy touch on things. So super pretty, and here are all the die cuts. And some Christmas cards. So I always make my Christmas cards now. Ever since I've been doing scrapbooking, I started making my cards. And it's a labor of love, but boy, everybody really appreciates it. Okay, and then we've got, every seasonal catalog will have what we call our mix-ins. Very inexpensive papers. The sheet, all these sheets are only $7.95 for 6 each. 6 sheets, 1 each of all of the colors. Oh, that's the cardstock. This is $8.95 for 6 sheets, 1 each of 6 double-sided designs. And these were colored, and the design was chosen to go with the 2 scrapbook workshops and the 2 card making workshops. So you can extend your papers with these mix-ins. Okay, and here we've got our stamps and thin cuts. So if you all don't know, close to my heart, started making the clear stamps a long time ago with the clear acrylic blocks. So you can see when you've got enough ink on your stamp. If you need to ink it up more, you can see where you're putting it, so you can make sure you're getting it in the center. They work wonderfully and are extremely sturdy. So here we've got stamp sets, and here is a card front thin cut, and that's what this is showing you, is the thin cuts. So that's a double layer of cardstock. So this is a separate layer from the card itself. And then here are the cards that were made with these stamp sets. So you get an idea. So what would I do with this? Well, here you go. You know, here's a card to do, and look at how pretty this is with the cattails. I mean, super, super pretty. And this is a thin cut. So anytime you see a colored area around a stamp set, that comes with a thin cut. So you don't have to do a lot of fussy cutting. Okay, so here we've got another stamp set that goes well with the fall, with apple picking, and you're the apple of my eye. And then we've got farm to go with those wonderful papers from the beginning of the It's a Good Life, the Good Life papers. So perfect to have the farm animals. And they're realistic. They're not stylized, they're realistic. Love that. And then we've got a good mail stamp here, bruh. And this would be for my husband, DIY, Mr. DIY, doing home reno and, you know, has every tool known to man in the garage. And we are going to be doing painting. Ugh. Might have to get that to go with our DIY projects coming up. Okay, this is a great one. This is for texture. Look at all this texture here. So you just stamp it on there to add some interest on your backgrounds. So if you're starting off with plain cardstock, then you want to add some interest by adding some textured colors. So you've got, you know, boards, you've got dots, you've got stars. I love this crackle look. Always love the blobs, always love the blobs. And here's a great one for time. Is fleeting, believe me. Okay, and look at this beautiful stamp set. This is really gorgeous. Look at these cards. And here we've got for Thanksgiving, if you want to make some Thanksgiving cards. Super cute. And here we're getting ready for Christmas and for Thanksgiving and harvest wishes. Thanks with a grateful heart. This could be used as a tag too. That could just be a package tag. You can make a whole bunch of them. Okay, super cute slimline cards and cute for pages. So here's Naughty or Nice, Santa, and then you've got a Merry Christmas, so that's perfect to go on the inside of your cards. Yeah, got out of the field there, sorry about that. You know, and a super, look at this, where's that train? He's so cute, that little dog, and you can put all the cards behind him. And we've got a December, stories of the season. And you can make any kind of, so like this would be an advent. You could make an advent calendar with all these numbers. And this is a stamp set and an embossing folder for Christmas. So you can make some beautiful poinsettias. So here, this was made with the embossing folder and the embossing stencils. So look at what pretty cards you can make. And then this is from the thin cuts down here. So you cut the thin cut and then stamp it, or stamp it and thin cut it. And you can make cards, and you can use the, this is a white on white, using the embossing folder. So here you can make some wonderful Christmas cards. Oh, how cute. That is so cute. Look at these alphabets. We've got an, this, oh my gosh, this alphabet, this Christmas alphabet is just adorable. And look at how cute they've colored it in down here. And so you could do Christmas cards with just doing joy. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Okay, and then our stamps of the month. So this is the September stamp of the month. Here are the cards made with this stamp. And then October is owls. So it's Happy Owla Days. And from Owl of Us. Super cute. And then once again, we have our ink and cardstock. So you've got all the numbers and all the colors together. So there is the September-October seasonal catalog. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you have, thank you so much for being a member. I sure appreciate it. And anything that you've seen in these catalogs, you can purchase at dorothy.closetomyheart.com. But right now, with the new catalogs coming out, there's already some things that are have been purchased up, I have to tell you. So just keep on trying, and you know, we will refill our color ink pads, and with our new colors, you know, it's already been filled. I think this is the third go around. And also the tools and stuff that I'm waiting for. So just kind of hang in there, and I appreciate you. Thank you. Bye. Hi, I'm Dorothy Smith. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn along with me. Thanks. Bye-bye.